Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mr.Baahonline, and today we are going to solve one question on indices and its laws. So this is the problem for the day. Simplify 2 to the power 6 divided by bracket open 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 bracket close, or divided by 2 to the power 5. So we have the question like this. We're given 2 to the power 6 divided by bracket open 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 1 bracket close divided by 2 to the power 5. So now we have to apply the indices laws. Okay, now bracket is involved. Okay, you all know that in board maths bracket should be done first. Now for this term we have to apply the indices law 1. Where is the product rule? The product rule. This is indices law 1. Now, the law 1 says that a to the power m times a to the power n should be equal to a to the power m plus n. That is the indices law 1. That means if the bases are the same and they are multiplying, we add the powers. We take one base and then we add the powers. So now we are going to apply that rule here, right? So that will give us 2 to the power 6 divided by, now the bases are the same. Okay, so we take one base, this is 2 to the power, then we add the power. That is going to be what? 2 plus 1 divided by 2 to the power 5. So now this can simplify as what? 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 2 plus 1 will give us 3 divided by 2 to the power 5. Now we are not done. We are going to apply the second law of indices, which is what? The quotient rule. Now the quotient rule is based on division, right, of indices. Now all these numbers here are divided. All these bases here are divided. So we are going to apply the second law of indices, which is known as the quotient rule. The quotient rule, right? That is second law of indices. And the quotient rule says that a to the power m divided by a to the power n should be equal to a to the power m minus n. If the bases are the same and they are divided, we subtract their powers. Okay, we take one base, then we subtract their powers. Let's apply the same rule here. So now all the bases are the same. They are all 2, 2, 2. But the powers are different. So we pick one, because the bases are the same, we pick one base, and that's going to be what? 2 to the power. Then the powers, we subtract them, because here the bases are the same, we subtract the powers. Yeah. So now we are going to have 6 minus 3 minus 5, right? So now let's simplify this. So 2 to the power 6 minus 3 will give us 3. 3 minus 5 will give us what? Negative what? 2. So now finally, our final answer is going to be what? 2 to the power minus what? 2. Now if you want to further break it down, we can use the inverse rule here. We can apply the inverse rule. The inverse rule, which says that a to the power minus, let's say, m is equal to what? 1 over a to the power what? M. Right? So that's the inverse rule. So now let's apply it here. So this one can be written as what? 1 over 2 to the power what? 2. Which is equal to what? 1 over 2 to the power 2 is the same as 2 times 2. And that will give us 1 over 4. So if you want to further break this final solution here down, your final answer will be what? 1 over 4. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.